To start designing, at first I create a circle in the middle of this document. To do this, at first from this layer panel, I just create a new layer. And click and hold on this icon and select ellipse tool. And holding shift, I just drag a circle on it. And after that, I click on this FX icon and select color overlay. And from this color picker, I choose navy blue color. And after that, I just simply hit on OK. And using the move tool, I just simply set it in middle. Now I convert this circle as a smart object. To do this, I just right click on this ellipse 1 layer and select convert to smart object. Converting it to a smart object basically allows you to resize it to any size without losing pixels, which is very important if you don't want to lose pixels while you are designing. Alright? Now I rename it as a main circle. And now this time I duplicate this main circle layer. To do this, I just simply right click on this main circle layer and select duplicate layer. And set this layer name main circle copy. And I simply press Ctrl T, or if you are using Mac then press Command T to activate the transform mode. Now simply hold Alt and Shift, or if you are using Mac then simply press Option Shift and then resize it like this. And after that simply hit on done. And then set this fill 0. Because I want to show the only stroke of this circle. Now I right click on this main circle copy and choose blending options and check this stroke and set color white. And I set this stroke size in 67. And now I hit on OK. Now I duplicate this main circle layer copy. To do this, I just simply right click on this again and select duplicate layer. And by selecting this new layer, press Ctrl T to activate the transform mode. And then holding Alt Shift, I just resize it like this and hit on OK. And select this main circle copy layer and press Ctrl T to activate the transform mode. And holding Alt Shift, I just resize it and set it right here. Alright. To set everything in center, from this layer panel, I select these 3 different layers and click on this icon, align horizontal center and align vertical center. And now this time I add 2 little lines on this position. But before this, hit on view and check these rulers. Now I add 2 grid lines to do our work accurately. Alright. Now click and hold on this icon, select rectangle tool and set stroke 0 and draw a rectangle. And make sure that your rectangle width is similar like this stroke size, which is 67. And using the move tool, I set it here and press Ctrl T to activate the transform mode. And then I resize it and rotate it a little bit. And set it right here. Alright. Now I zoom this document a little bit more and decrease the width of this line a little bit. Alright, now I hit on done. And now from this layer panel, I just simply right click on it and select duplicate layer. And after that, using the move tool, I set it just in this position and press Ctrl T to activate the transform mode. And after that, I just simply rotate it and set it here. Alright. Now from this layer panel, I select these two rectangle and right click on it and select Convert to Smart Object. Now to hide these guidelines, simply hit on View, Show and uncheck these guides. Now I change this middle circle color from blue to red. To do this, I just simply select this middle circle and click on this FX icon and select Color Overlay and change this color from blue to red. Alright, now I hit on OK. Now I change this portion color. To do this, at first I select everything by simply press Ctrl A and after that go to Edit, Copy Special and select Copy Merged. And then simply press Ctrl V to paste it. And now simply select the one box right here and make sure that contiguous is checked and select this box. Otherwise, it will select this whole circle. Now I just simply cut that by simply pressing Ctrl X. And now from this layer panel, I simply delete this layer 1 and then go to Edit. And from this Paste Special, simply select Paste in Place. And then select this layer 1 and click on this FX icon and select this color overlay. And using this color picker, I just simply select this dark blue color and hit on OK. Now I add a earth shape in this middle of this circle. To do this, click and hold on this icon and select Custom Shape tool. And from this drop down menu, select this earth shape and set size 500 by 500 pixels and hit on OK. Now I simply press Ctrl T to activate that transform mode and holding Shift, I just make this bigger and using the move tool, I just set it just in this position. Now to change the shape color, click on this FX icon, choose color overlay and using this color picker, choose color red and hit on OK. Now from this layer panel, I select this earth shape and press Ctrl T and make this bigger a little bit more. And using the move tool, I just simply set it in middle. And in our next lecture, we will add a text around this circle and give the finishing touch of this t-shirt design. Thank you so much for watching.